Pope Francis greets Colombian nun freed 4 years after kidnapping by Islamists in Mali. Pope Francis greeted a Colombian nun on Sunday, shortly after she was freed 4 years after being kidnapped by Islamists in Mali. The Pope blessed Sister Gloria Cecilia Narvaez Argoti before a Mass in St. Peter's Basilica, launching a worldwide synodal process. Sister Gloria, a member of the Congregation of the Francis Sisters of Mary Immaculate, was kidnapped in southern Mali in 2017. The Malian presidency announced that she was released on 9 October after 4 years and 8 months of combined efforts of several intelligence services. It posted photographs on social media of her meeting with interim President Colonel Assimi Goïta, accompanied by Cardinal Jean Zerbo of Bamako. We prayed a lot for her release. I thank the Malian authorities and other good people who made this release possible, the Cardinal told AFP. Armed men kidnapped Sister Gloria in Karangasso, about 90 miles south of the town of San, near the border with Burkina Faso, on 7 February 2017. The men forced her to hand over the keys to the community's ambulance. The vehicle was later found abandoned. 3 other sisters were present at their house but escaped. The kidnappers were going to take the youngest nun, but Sister Gloria reportedly volunteered to take her place. The Colombian nun had served in Mali for 12 years before her abduction. Her community administers a large health center in the country, as well as a home for some 30 orphans. Earlier this year, she was allowed to give proof that she was alive with a handwritten note in which she asked people to pray for her. In the 11-line message sent to her brother Edgar Narvaez Argoti via the Red Cross, she wrote, "I send everyone my warmest greetings. May the good Lord bless you and grant you health. I have been a prisoner for 4 years and now I am with a new group." She identified the group who held her as Jamaat Nasr al-Islam wal Muslimin, an Islamist organization in West Africa and the Maghreb. In her message, she asked, "May they all pray a great deal for me. May God bless them all. I am hopeful that God will help me to regain my freedom." Mali is currently under the leadership of Goïta, who led to coups in a span of 9 months, first ousting the country's democratically elected President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta in August 2020 and, in May this year, the interim leaders who were to head the country's transitional government. Following 24th May coup, Mali's constitutional court named Goïta as transitional president of Mali until the country holds elections. The move attracted criticism, with Catholic leaders in the country calling it a seizure of power outside the legal process. Mali is struggling with an Islamist insurgency that began in the north in 2012 and has spread to Burkina Faso and Niger, with a rise in kidnappings. Agenzia Fides reported in September 2020 that Sister Gloria's mother died at the age of 87 while awaiting her daughter's release.